Nailing dates. Learn ordinal numbers 21st-100th in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very special topic, using ordinal numbers in dates. You've already mastered ordinal numbers from the 1st to the 20th. Now let's tackle the 21st to the 100th. Why are ordinal numbers important in dates? Well, in English, when we talk about dates, we often use ordinal numbers. So, buckle up and let's get started. Firstly, let's recall what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate the position or order of things in a set. They are used to express rank or position. For example, first, first, second, second, third, third, etc. In the context of dates, these numbers are used to denote the specific day in a month. For instance, when we say, July 21st, 21st, is an ordinal number representing the day in the month of July. Now, let's explore how to use ordinal numbers in dates. Firstly, the day always precedes the month in British English. So you'd say, for instance, the 21st of July. But, in American English, it's usually the other way around, July 21st. Secondly, note that when we say the date, we use ordinal numbers, not cardinal numbers. It's July 21st, not July 21st. Thirdly, when you're writing the date in a more formal context, like in an official document or a formal letter, it's better to write the full date, including the year, like the 21st of July 2023. Here are some examples. I have a meeting on the 23rd of May. She was born on July 31st. Now that you know how to use ordinal numbers in dates, it's time to practice. Try saying the date today using ordinal numbers. Also, try to write down some important dates, like your birthday, using ordinal numbers. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language. And that's it for today. Remember, ordinal numbers are crucial for expressing dates in English, and getting them right will make you sound more natural and correct. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them with ease. We hope this video has been helpful and that you've learned something new. Stay tuned for our next lesson. Happy learning!